And we are live. And today basically we're going to be talking about how to password protect your PDF. So if you want to have to make sure that your PDF are secured, maybe you're selling the PDF or you're trying to only allow a couple of people to be able to access your PDF, whatever your reason, right? Here's how to go about putting password for your PDF. Okay, I'm going to show you two really good websites where you can do this online for free. And it will only take a few minutes. Okay, so let's get straight into it. The first one is pdf2go.com. I'm going to put the links in the description. So protect PDF. So to secure a PDF document from unauthorized access like copying or printing, you should password protect your file, and also it's going to be encrypted. So it's going to also encrypt it. So here is what you see once you go to this website. You're just going to see drag and drop option. So I'm just going to drag the PDF directly to it. As you can see, it's initializing. And yeah, you have it. It's been uploaded. Okay, so settings, right? It's going to ask you set password to open the document. So I'm just going to put a basic one. So once that's done, it's going to ask you, so what permissions do you want it to have? Do you want to prevent printing? Do you want to prevent copying? Do you want to prevent modifying? I'm just going to select all. Again, depends on you. Also, it's going to ask you to enter your permission password. So once that's done, it's going to ask you one more time for optional settings. For more security, you can select this option to prevent others from editing the document or revealing potential hidden errors, as all content will be merged into one non-searchable layer. So if you want it to be rasterized, I don't think it's necessary, but if you really are peculiar about this particular file not getting tampered with, okay, you can select this option, all right? And yeah, there you have it, right? This is just showing you the features of the website, and also showing you the different things you can do with the websites, which is you can edit PDF, you can merge, you can split, you can improve, compress, protect, unlock, which is what we are doing, protecting. You can convert to any other thing, convert to PDF, convert from PDF. So it's a pretty good site. Okay, so now let's get right straight into what we came here for. And we'll start. So it says permission password and open password cannot be the same. Okay. So I'm just going to change something to, let's get right to it. And as you can see, it's converting, file conversion in progress. Here we have it. Okay. So your file has been converted and we can download, or either as a zip file. So just click on download over here. So let's test it out. Okay. So this document is password protected. Please enter a password, and there you have it. Okay. So that's how you do that. Let's check out the pricing. So supercharge your productivity. Obviously, there's the free, which is basically for the basics. I think it will just help you for this one, which is 5.50 euros, I think, for file conversion, editing, and compression. So you can do all that stuff apart from, for teams and for enterprise. So I mean, the free version is really cool, because you basically can do what you came here for, right? But I think response time, file deletion, processing time, obviously these are the things depending on what you're trying to do. So you can go over this to see, right? But if it's the basic things that you want to do, this is quite fine. But if you need a lot of things, maybe you need a large amount of files you want to upload, or you need a priority access, or you need high security because it's going to delete, within 24 hours. With this one too, response time, I think it's pretty cool to go with the basics, and if you really are a more specific user, go with that. Okay, so let me show you the second website, which is also really good, that you could also try out, and it's adobe.com. So they have their own password protect segment of the website, and it's similar, the same thing. You drag a file over, you put the password, you set password, and you download it. Okay, there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. It's completely free. You also can do a couple other things, but you definitely need to have an account. And there you have it. So I hope you found this useful, really short, straightforward video, and I'll see you in the next video.